Yes, y'all. Welcome to another amazing episode of the Shryne vodcast, where we talk about all things Web3, all things DeFi, and all the amazing projects being built on the NIA blockchain operating system. I'm your host, Ebube Dike. I'm here as always with my partner, Rhoda.
GM guys, thank you so much for the introduction. GM guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever location you are watching this episode from. Welcome to another episode of our podcast.
Don't forget, this project is brought to you by the amazing people at CreativesDAO. The people at CreativesDAO are so particular about supporting and fostering collaboration between creators, and also CreativesDAO is at the forefront of building a vibrant community in the Web3 ecosystem.
And also, don't forget that this podcast is created by the visionary leader Shryne.
So today we are excited for the amazing topic which we have for everyone today, which is called Aurora. Now, Aurora is a layer 2 ethereum solution. Now, the ethereum layer 2 solution of the NIA protocol, that's Aurora. In simple terms, think of ethereum as a busy road. Let me call it a busy highway where there's lots of traffic. So that's the layer 1. Now, layer 2 solution are like building additional lanes and inland roads or alternative routes where people can, pass along the highway. So diverting some of traffic, reducing congestion. So that's what Aurora does. It reduces congestion on the Ethereum platform, and it helps handle more transactions and makes it more accessible to everyone.
Yeah, exactly. So Aurora is a project that lets developers run their Ethereum app on NIA protocol. So we also have a word of the day section we did about the app, which means decentralized application. So go check it out. So Aurora is fully compatible with Ethereum, so developers don't have to change anything in their codes or tools. They can just deploy the decentralized applications on Aurora and enjoy lower fees, higher speed, and future-proof scalability.
Amazing. So I know we are getting into the Aurora mode. We are getting into the Aurora mode. So, but everyone will be asking, how does it work? How can Ethereum dApps run on the NIA protocol? So, Rhoda, can you help us with that?
So Aurora is actually a smart contract on the NIA blockchain. So basically, what smart contract means is a set of codes that automatically carries out agreements between people without needing a middleman. So it's more like a digital contract that enforces itself. So you can trust it to handle transaction and actions fairly.
Alright. So also Aurora has two main functions, which is execution and token. So the execution function allows users to send Ethereum transactions to Aurora, which then is decoded and executed in the EVM runtime. Now, the EVM runtime is called the Ethereum virtual mechanism. Now, this is what it is when you say layer 2. Now, using the apps instead of building from ground zero, when you're building on the NIA protocol, you have to start from ground to up. Now, when you are running on Aurora, you understand, it makes it more easy and seamless. Now, the token function allows users to transfer tokens between Ethereum and the NIA protocol using the Rainbow Bridge technology. Go to the Aurora website at aurora.dev. If you go to the website, you will see that it has more explanation about the Rainbow Bridge technology, how it makes transactions between Ethereum and NIA protocol really seamless. And Aurora is just like a bridge. I call it a bridge between the two protocols, which is the Ethereum and the NIA protocol.
Yeah, Aurora connects two worlds, like the Ethereum and the NIA protocol, offering benefits to users and developers. So it has lower fees due to NIA protocol's efficient consensus mechanism, which simply means that NIA protocol's efficient consensus mechanism, which is called proof of stake.
Exactly.
So it's a faster and greener way of computers in the network to agree on transaction without using a lot of energy.
That's amazing. So while we're talking about all these, I want you guys to also know that Aurora is all about community. just like how it is when it comes to everything Web3. So Aurora has a particular social token, which is a digital asset within the Aurora ecosystem that represents social or community value. So each social or community, they have their values. You know, you and I have our values. You know, creating a community, we have values that we are working towards. So Aurora, it makes it easier. It's like a digital asset. The social tokens, a digital asset which everyone has access to, and it's being distributed between, it's created and distributed by content creators and communities, you know, or even individuals, so that as a way to engage and interact with their audience.
Exactly, just like every other ecosystem that have their own social tokens.
Okay. So it makes the creators of a social token and a community, you know, for them to feel more closer, you know, establishing a closer relationship with supporters and allowing them to, you know, offer exclusive content, access to events, voting rights, you know, all these things when it comes to, like when we talk something about DAO, which is this decentralized autonomous organization where everyone has the right in the community, you know. So the Aurora social token makes it easier for each and everybody in a particular community to, you know, have their say and have ownership in participation, and also enabling creators and their supporters to collaborate, thrive in the Aurora ecosystem.
Yeah, and the best part is that Aurora is already live on mainnet, so developers can start using it today by visiting their website at aurora.dev somewhere on the screen.
Yeah, they also have a Twitter that they should guys to follow, and it's called the Twitter is Aurora is near. Check it out. We'll also leave a link to the Twitter.
We also forgot to mention the current price of Aurora. It's very, very affordable. Okay. 0.08 something up thereabouts. So it's very affordable. So you can find it on CoinGecko or any of those platforms.
Okay, amazing. So thank you all for joining us on this exciting conversation on the Aurora ecosystem. Aurora is unleashing power of Ethereum compatibility with the speed and scalability of the NIA protocol, paving way for groundbreaking blockchain experience. So it's open, just like it is in the Web3, where they want collaborations, onboarding. Is unleashing power of Ethereum compatibility and making it seamless with the scalability that is being built on the NIA protocol.
So before we wrap up, remember to like, subscribe, and follow us at Shryne, and be on all our social networks at Shryne. Retweets. Just share the gospel.
Share the gospel.
Share the gospel.
So don't forget, this project is brought to you by the amazing people at CreativesDAO. It's amazing that they set up this project. So I found pleasure in always talking about them and what they are doing. So trying to sensitize people on everything.
Onboard them into the Web3 ecosystem.
It's really amazing. It's really amazing. So don't forget to subscribe, like, join us for our next amazing episode on everything being built on the Web3.
Catch you later.
All right, Rhoda, over. Word of the day. What's the word of the day?
Social tokens.
Social token is a digital form of coin ownership which allows for creators, influencers, and brands to monetize their experiences and services.
So this ownership then becomes an asset that can be resold and may increase in value.